Hi guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to add yellow basket in TikTok shop. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to our TikTok app and just click on our profile. And then we are just going to open our TikTok shop by clicking the basket here, the basket icon. Now, before we can add a yellow basket, we are going to have to make sure that we have set up our TikTok shop. Now, here's how we're going to add a yellow basket. So now we are going to make a video. So we are going to click the add video here. Then we are just going to click on upload. So let's say, for example, I want to sell this product. So we're just going to click next. There you go. And now we are just going to click next. And we are going to click on add link and then click product. Now you're just going to choose the product that you want to sell. So since I'm going to sell this beauty glow up iced tea collagen, so we're just going to click on that, click add. So you can add as many products as you want. So you can also change the product name here and then just click add. So you can add another link if you want to. So the same process that you will do. So just click product and then add the product that you want to add in your video. And then just click post. So we'll check on our feed. And there we've already posted it. So we're going to open another account just to see if the video already has the yellow basket. So if we click on the yellow basket, then the buyer will be able to add this to their cart. So that's it. That's how you're going to add a yellow basket on TikTok shop. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.